In this video, we'll walk you through how to get the most out of BOYAMIC 2. Before getting started, make sure to remove the protective film on each unit, so the charging pins can make proper contact inside the case. The BOYAMIC 2 kit comes with 2 transmitters, 1 receiver, a charging case, and several accessories. Once you take them out of the case, the transmitters and receiver will automatically power on and pair with each other. A solid blue light on all units means they're successfully paired. If pairing doesn't happen automatically, you can do it manually. Place the transmitter and receiver back into the charging case for 5 seconds. They will auto-pair. With the transmitter off, hold the power button for 5 seconds. The blue light will flash. On the receiver screen, swipe left to enter the settings menu. Select pairing, then tap pair. After pairing with the first receiver, power on the second one. Hold the power button for 2 seconds. Then go to the pairing menu and tap pair. 2 transmitters can connect to up to 4 receivers. And 4 receivers can be connected to 8 devices like 4 phones and 4 cameras for multi-platform streaming. For cameras, mixers, or similar devices, mount the receiver on the hot or cold shoe. And use the included 3.5mm TRS cable to plug it into your device. For mobile devices, attach the included USB-C or lightning adapter via the contact points and rotate to lock it in place. And plug it into your phone, tablet, or computer. You can clip the transmitter onto clothing, or use the included magnets for a cleaner look. Hold the power button for 2 seconds to power it on or off, and short press to mute or unmute. Short press the NC button to toggle AI noise cancellation. The default mode is strong mode. Adjust noise cancellation level via receiver or BOYA Central app. Double press the same button to trigger the shutter on your phone. The receiver can be charged via the USB-C to C data cable. Short press to toggle onboard recording. Press and hold power for 2 seconds to turn on or off. Short press to lock or unlock screen. Rotate the knob to adjust gain or other settings. Use USB-C or lightning adapter to connect to a device. Charge and update via the USB-C port. USB port can also pass power to external devices when connected. Plug in 3.5mm headphones to monitor audio or send output to external gear. Swipe right on the main screen to access the first transmitter settings. Swipe left for the second. Swipe down to open main menu. Go into transmitter menu for advanced transmitter settings. Same goes for the receiver. The charging case stores and charges the receiver and transmitters. Use the included USB-C cable to charge the case. For more control, connect the receiver to your phone and enter BOYA Central app. You can control audio playback, safety track, output gain, mic gain control, noise cancellation. For more control, open the settings menu. In transmitter settings, adjust or customize EQ. Turn on or off the indicator, auto recording, auto gain, mist-touch protection, and auto power off. In receiver settings, select your camera brand for preset gain. And adjust screen brightness, screen timeout, and auto power off. After firmware update, BOYAMIC 2 runs the latest version of BOYA Central.